And now, a manufacturing success story. A recent cybersecurity incident caused a large factory to come grinding to a halt. And as each line shut down, an eerie silence fell over this expensive production floor. In the stillness, the administrators heard something odd. One part of the facility had never stopped. One line was still in production. Upon further investigation, it became clear that the only portion of the plant remaining unaffected by this catastrophe was protected by a new vendor called BlastWave. BlastWave's Zero Trust protection had stopped initial access to that small portion of the network. It had cloaked the OT systems from discovery and had prevented unrestricted lateral movement between the IT and the OT segments. This small trial installation of BlastWave had stopped the hack dead in its tracks. The rest of the factory sat idle for over 2 days, with a loss of $4.8 million in revenue. Don't let cyber attacks take down your production network. Deploy BlastWave's Zero Trust protection today.